Old Navy, Walmart, ZipFit Denim, Threads Big and Tall Menswear, a choice Big and Tall Menswear, Chubstr, Oddball, Menswear House, Oublier, KingSize Direct, Big Taller, Too Big Feet, Century Fashions Big and Tall, Casual Male XL, Rochester Big and Tall, Burlington Coat Factory, Westport Big and Tall, Destination XL Group, Martin's Big and Tall.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.